Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have something special. We are going to be unboxing the E2046.com Sailor Moon Black Lady figurine for 2025. And I'm so excited that I got her. She's the pre-painted figurine, and let's get right into this box. After cutting it open, as we can tell, she's wrapped in some bubble wrap to protect her. She came all the way from Japan, and I'm so happy she's here. But let's open this up. Okay, bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap. Okay, let's flip the box upside down and slip her right off, and box thrown away. Now we're throwing away this bubble wrap. Let's get rid of that. And here we have our box gathering. Okay, I think it's time that we open her. Okay, pull the little tab that's on the front, open it nice and slow, don't want to break it, and lifting the lid, and here we have our first view. She's wrapped in some black plastic styrofoam, and the first thing we see is her base of her stand, and her little certification, E2046, she's number 39, that's really low, I don't know how many they made of her, but 39. Here's her assembly sheet that tells you exactly how to attach her and what order. I'm going to speed this video up a little bit because, I don't think you want to sit here for 5 minutes just seeing me open it. But if you want a more detailed opening next time, let me know in the comments. So first piece first, here we go. We have one of her beautiful hairstrings, stunning. Let's get the second one. Here is the second one. The pink is really, really lovely. I really enjoy the colorings. I think it's really nice. They did the swirls on it. I do love some floating hair. Here we have an arm. And here is her other arm. Okay, let's see. Here we have... Oop, that was it for that part. Let's get into the lower base. And what's this? Oh, here's her back shawl for the back of her cape. Then we're going to go into here. We have a side cape as well. The other piece is right underneath it, but I didn't realize it until I was putting her together that it was still in there, so you don't see me unboxing it. Here's her face, and oh my god, she's so cute and beautiful. I love her. Her hair is attached, and she has a little earrings. And let's get into her main part. Here is her whole glory. Her gown is simply beautiful, stunning, floating. Yes, you can see the painting is really, really nice. But I'm going to do this quick, as I said, and we'll do more detailed shots of her once she's assembled. Okay, here once more, you can see all the pieces together, except the one piece of her cape, which I forgot was inside. But you see her whole body, her head, the pieces of the cape, her arms, her hair, the plastic stand. But okay, guys, here she is, and she is absolutely fabulous. Her gown has like this pearl vibrant shimmer to it. As you can see, it's like highlighted. It's really, really beautiful. Her hair is just, it's amazing. For everybody who's a Sailor Moon and Black Lady fan knows that this is the pose she has while she's sitting on the moon. And look at her spin when the light hits her. It is so stunning. I'm so in love with her. I can't believe that I have her. Just another quick view of her from the original art. And guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I post a video weekly, and I post a collectible a day. Thank you so much for being here, and to all my Sailor Moon fans, let me know what you think of her. I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Have a magical day.